You have to be... what?
Twice.
What?
Twice as good.
Twice as good as them to get half of what they have. I raised a warrior. Everyone and everything that you love is a weakness. Assassinations.
Governor?
I'm in love with her. I love her.
So choose Melly. I wish you would. It would restore my faith in humanity. But if there's one thing I know, it's that given the choice between power and love, men like you will always, always choose power.
I have not gone through what I've gone through, worked twice as hard for half as much, only to end up living an unimpressive life. Mediocrity is not an option for me. I don't want that, and neither should you.
Revenge. I got revenge.
You think you get revenge? You don't get revenge! That's mine! That's mine!
In 1 hour, you will issue a press release saying former Vice President Andrew Nichols is dead. That means you will have 1 hour to find Lillian Forrester and convince her that there is no story, that there never was a story, just the distorted machinations of a sad individual suffering from a few lingering repercussions of his stroke. Never cross me again.